So, Mamta, I want to know, it has been only 1 year. You are quite good in English. Okay, you are talking very nicely. So far, I'm listening you. I want to know, so many beginner are here and they want to learn this language, but they are not able to accumulate the courage. They thought it's not my cup of tea. I can't talk like that. They are thinking. Okay, so what kind of suggestion you want to give to them, and from where they can start? From grammar part, from vocabulary part, speaking part, listening part, reading. What, where from where they can start? About your experience.
Yeah, ma'am. Like I am saying myself, like I was zero in English. My English was not good, little bit also, because like I didn't focus in my life on English. English was like I think too much difficult subject for me in all subjects. Like all subject I like, but English subject I didn't like. I didn't like in my life because like I didn't study in a proper manner. So how can I say like it is the good subject for me? So after then, like I faced this type of situation. So I started working on my grammatical part firstly, because like I didn't have any idea like which helping verb I should use and along with which verb I should use, first form, second form, third form. I didn't have any idea. So then I started working on my grammatical part. Why I started grammatical part? Because I didn't have any environment. I didn't have any family member, any relatives, any environment, little bit environment I didn't have. Then I started doing this type of thing. After then I started getting vocab, because lack of vocab, how we can improve. So I started gaining day by day vocab. Some of vocab I used to focus. I didn't pressurize myself like you should have to learn this vocab. I used to observe only vocab. Whatever I'm observing, 10 vocab, 20 vocab, I used to observe. It's depend on my time. I am having time, so I used to I used to observe lots of vocab. Otherwise, like I don't have any vocab, so I used to vocab 5 to 6 vocab. And after then, I skip this type of thing. So I learned vocab, some grammatical part. Like I work on tenses a lot. And when I started in my speaking, then I used to speak only present tense a lot. I used to make mistake on past tense. Like I knew like which helping verb, which verb it will come along with. But like while speaking, I used to make mistake. So hello, ma'am, how are you?
Yes, I'm pretty well. I'm fit as fiddle. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm also fine, ma'am. Everything is going on well. So, ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am, for joining me. First of all, I would like to say thank you so much. And before dive into the session, first, like I would like to know about yourself. Please tell me about yourself.
Sure, ma'am, and I would like to thank you for having me here. And yes, before diving the session, definitely I would like to give my short introduction. As you know, my name is Malati. I live in Bangalore. If I talk about my education, I have completed my graduation. Nowadays, I'm homemaker, and as well as I'm very small YouTuber also. By the name is English with Malati, where I'm trying to uploading conversation videos, solo and shorts video. Yes, it's pretty much about myself.
Okay, ma'am, it is nice. Ma'am, like I think I watched yoga videos on YouTube. That's why I was thinking I have talked already with you. So it is
Okay, yeah, maybe you come across my video, I think.
that's why, ma'am, I
Yeah.
was thinking. Okay, ma'am. So,
Okay.
so ma'am, what is your hobbies? What's your hobby?
Yes, definitely. I would love to tell my hobbies. First, I want to know a little bit about your side.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So, my name is Mamta Kumar. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry, and after that, I did B.Ed, and along with I qualified CTET degree. And nowadays, I am improving my communication skill and my hobbies like playing some games and dancing and spending time with my families. So, this type of thing I have, and that's it, ma'am,
Oh,
about myself.
wow, it's wonderful. Great to know about yourself. Okay, so you were asking me my hobbies, right? So nowadays, I like to talk in a different personality like you. And like earlier, I didn't like this language, this English also, but nowadays I'm quite happy if I can talk to different personality, and if I can learn these things. So I like, and apart from there, I like to travel also, and as well as I like dance also. And yes, nowadays I try to immerse myself little bit yoga and meditation. So there also I liked. So yes, it's only this
It's
pretty much.
you have a lots of hobbies and it's wonderful hobbies. You are following your health also. Ma'am, your
Yes.
is stucking most of the time.
I think network issue. Your side also I found sometimes stop your video, but I'm continue talking.
Yeah,
Later might be it will be
ma'am,
normal.
my side is it should be not there. because I have like Wi-Fi, so I think it is a good network. But it may be ma'am network issue. It's happened because of weather. Because weather is
Yes,
nowadays. So that
yes,
I'm
yes,
facing this problem. Okay, ma'am. So
yes.
ma'am, you are indulged in meditation, yoga. So are you feeling like this? Like I am getting benefit from it?
Yes, definitely, it's no doubt. But yoga and meditation, it will take little more time, like English. Okay, same like I found same like English. English also, when I we are starting, it's not will be we can't get achievement in overnight, right? And yoga and meditation also, we should do little long time. And in my case, I'm just few months back from now I'm starting, and yes, I found so many positive things, like I feel energetic more. And as well as I didn't feel hungry also earlier. Now I'm little feel hungry also, like I didn't like to take anything. And more thing, body flexible, body and energetic. So such kind of things I'm facing, and mind fresh. If we are definitely, we have so many stress, right? But if we start to yoga meditation, we feel more energetic, and our mind also will be fresh. So this kind of things I am getting now, but it's not going long, no, just I am starting. So maybe in future, maybe I will get some more result, good result, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, it will happen if you are doing this type of thing. But ma'am, I tried myself. Like every day, I think like I should go for meditation, but I can't do. I don't know. Like sometimes I forgot. Sometimes like I suppose I'm doing around 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So after then, like one or like we can't do in a 1 or 2 days. Like we have to maintain
Mhm.
consistency. Then we can do this type of thing. And if we want to do something in the morning time, so morning time it is time, or it is time like this, like hectic time. We can't do.
Yes.
Yeah, if I'm
Mhm.
free, so we can do like, but like we are not free.
Mm.
We want in morning time, we want to sleep, we want to do lots of household chores, work also. So that's why it is not, we are not able to do this type of thing.
Yes,
Yeah,
you can't believe it. I have also started for a long time, but few days I used to do, again stop, again for 10 days, again stop, again 15 days, again stop for 1 month, 2 months. This kind of scenario was happening with me also. But I read somewhere. I think it's a atomic habit, where it's a habit. Any kind of new habit for inculcate little bit will take time. Okay, so we try to, and we should not go directly for 1 hour, 2 hour like that. We should
yeah, we can't
start
do.
at least from
I think
10 minutes.
it is really stress. Yeah, you are
Yes,
correct.
10 minutes.
Yeah, ma'am. Before I was doing this type of thing, like around it's been 2 3 months, I was doing same thing, and I was following everything, yoga, meditation, and I started liking this type of thing. But when like I got under the weather, so after then like I skipped this type of thing, and now totally I stopped. But again, I want to start my this journey, because like if we
Hmm.
do something yoga exercise, so we get lots of benefit. Like before
Yes,
I used
yes.
to do like a household chores work, so I started feeling tired myself. I used to think like
Hmm.
1 or 2 work I did, after then I started saying like I can't do another work because I'm feeling tired. And so that's why like I thought I should go for meditation, yoga, and exercise. It would be like benefit for me. So then I started,
Yes.
and I started feeling energetic myself. After then like I started doing lots of work, and I started wake uping early in the morning also. So because like before I was not able to sleep proper also, because of some
Yes.
incident I was not able to sleep properly. So then
Hmm.
I when I started meditation, yoga, so I started sleeping early. Around 10 p.m. I started sleeping, and I started wake up at 4 a.m. So it was my
Wow.
schedule, but it got disturbed, and now again I want to start.
But I would suggest you, where I did mistake in my past, just I follow directly 1 hour, okay? And we are not habitual. No, initially time we are not habitual. But I learned one thing: we should try at least from 10 minutes. Okay, from initially time, because our body is not habitual for wake up early and doing yoga meditation. We feel sleep also monotonous also after a few days later. But I learned one thing: we should not go directly 1 hour 2 hour. We should start at least 10 to 15 minutes for a week, and for a month. Slowly and gradually we can enhance our timing also, and as well as we start to enjoying in that our process, right? And that time we should not do directly without listening any music. At least we keep our earphone and something in our, because other family member also will be sleeping that time, right? We can't disturb also, but that time we can keep earpod and some music. With music, we if we start to do, we feel more in it. It's my personal experience. And
I
nowadays,
like this you. Before I used to
oh,
like put earphones in my ear and I started doing yoga exercise, this type of thing. Like around 1 hour I used to do. But nowadays,
mhm.
like I started around only 10 minutes, I do exercise and half an hour I try to walk. Evening time
Okay,
and morning time. Both times I do. Because
yes,
like
this is
if we
great
do
things.
exercise every day, so like we started feeling energetic ourselves. So that's why I started doing this type of thing. Because like if I'm not doing any like like lots of work, like
Mhm.
related we can say household chores work. If we are not able to do so, we should go for it. We started
Yes, yes.
getting benefits from there.
Exactly. And being of ladies, it's very crucial, because we are versatile, but sometimes we have to do so many things in our head sometime, right? Like family, children, and other responsibility, even tension, stress, all the things we have to take any time. So that's why it's very good for this. Mostly I found ladies, gents, anywhere, but ladies purpose, I found it's very crucial.
Yeah. And before, like I used to think like I like to study in morning time. But how can I study in
Mm-hmm.
morning time? Because I was not sleeping early. So I
Mm-hmm.
was sleeping late night. And after then I used to wake up around 7 a.m. So it was not good for me if we are living with the in-laws house. Because like I was not able to take my sleep, proper sleep. So then
Yes, yes.
yeah, I started this type of thing, yoga exercise like this. I started sleeping early and started wake uping early. So we should focus to
Yes,
like sleeping, early sleeping. We should focus. We should not focus like
yes.
early in the morning. I have to wake up. We have to focus like
Mm.
when we are going to sleep. Sleeping is like it is necessary. Early we should sleep.
Yes, yes.
So this type.
100% I resonate.
Nowadays, also
Yes.
like nowadays, like I'm not able to sleep early. Around it, it's been 12 p.m. Then I go sleep.
Oh,
Yeah, it's happened. So again, I will start.
yes, yes.
I'm
We
like
can
we
start.
watch mobile phone and like I don't like TV, but mobile phone, laptop, we watch this type of thing. So that's why we are not able to sleep properly.
Yeah. This kind of accessories, it's nowadays it's a addiction, I would say. And as well as end of the time, otherwise night mostly we feel enjoy also. And only for we think for initially, okay, only just a 5 minute I will watch and then I will go. So, but that 5 minute, how it will convert it to 1 hour, even we don't realize, right? So I would say it's a one kind of addiction also, I would say. But we should think about any time just for important things. If we have, we can watch. Otherwise, as much as possible, we try to keep little far in the night mostly,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, ma'am, you are saying correct. But nowadays, like I started editing part night time.
Okay.
So that's
Mm-hmm.
why, like, I am going to sleep late, but I will try to sleep early because early things
Okay.
it's good. Late night it
Hmm.
is not good for our health.
Correct. So I want to know, Mamta, apart from YouTube, you are doing something?
No, ma'am, I'm not doing anything. Only
Okay.
like I am doing a household chores, this type of thing.
Okay. What would you like to in your leisure time, whenever after your YouTube, after your household, or what would you like to do?
Ma'am, dancing part I like to do most if I'm living
Okay.
alone. And apart from this, like someone is living with us, like our my family members are near to me. So that time
Mm.
I try to play them and talk with
Oh,
them. Mm.
okay.
And like dancing, I like because like I can say indirectly I'm doing exercise. So that's why I like this
Yes,
part
yes.
because of
Yes,
health.
So I want to know little bit your English journey. From where you start your English journey?
Ma'am, I started my English journey. It's been 1 year, around 1 year, and I met some of persons. So they were speaking English, and I was not able to understand their English. So what they are asking me. So that time I felt embarrassed myself, like they are asking me something, and I'm not able to give answer in a proper manner. And I didn't give answer. At least I'm saying truly, I gave answer in a Hindi. So like but just a language, but I don't know why I felt this time like inferior myself, like they are speaking English and I am speaking Hindi. So this type of incident happened with me one time. And another thing, like one of school, it was near to me, so that was English medium school. So I thought like it's near to me, I should try to in school. So they told me like our teacher is speak English, so you have to also speak English. So that time I didn't know like how to speak English. So then I didn't join this school. But after then I started working on YouTube, and I thought like I should work on YouTube and I should upload this type of videos. I think if I will upload related to English conversation and grammatical part, so I think there is no need to go outside. I will stay at home, and so that's why I started my journey. I started learning, speaking, reading, everything I started doing, and now I think
So and what about your YouTube journey?
YouTube
From
journey.
when you start?
Yeah, before I used to upload videos. So before it was my another channel also. I gained 2000 subscriber there. But because of my health, sometimes my family's health, sometimes my grandmothers, my mother-in-law, they are not living healthy because of one of incident happened with my family. Like my father-in-law passed away suddenly. So that's why like we are facing this type of problem. So all family members are feeling like this. So I thought like I should live at home and I should work from home so that we can live happily. There is no need to go outside. So then I started my YouTube channel.
Okay. So your previous also you told, and that channel also regarding YouTube or different content was there?
It was related to English.
Okay. And again,
I tried English channel, and another channel also I used to teach chemistry subject. So
okay.
because of only lack of consistency, I skipped everything. But now I don't want to skip this channel. I will be continue. I will conversation, because like it is the interesting part. It is not monotonous task. Like every day we can do conversation. We can share our thoughts, and we can know different type of peoples. We can gain knowledge from others. So it is good for me, I think.
Yes, exactly. So how long have you been running this channel?
Ma'am, I created 1 year ago. I think around 11 months and 1 year ago I created, but I didn't upload every day, not in a week also. So after then, I started uploading grammatical part. It was taking too much time for editing and doing lots of things. So I got monotonous myself and I started lethargic myself. So after then I decided I should go for conversation, because indirectly I will meet different type of people. I will do conversation. I will improve my communication skill. So it would be better for me, and content also it will automatically it would be ready. Then I started doing this type of thing, and it is good for me now. My channel is growing. I'm gaining good views and like subscriber and watch hour also it is gaining. So it is good for me.
Okay, that's a great thing. That's a great thing. Wonderful. Okay, so now what is your plan? You will do continue here in YouTube, or would you like to go in a teaching line in school somewhere like that?
Ma'am, firstly, I want to focus on my YouTube channel. I don't want to do anything apart from my YouTube channel, because like firstly we should fulfill our one goal. After then we should think about another thing. So
Yes.
firstly I will work on YouTube. Like my YouTube channel, it will be grow in a good manner. So then I will think I don't want to go like apart from my house that much. Little bit surrounding it. It may be any school, and someone is coming at my home. So then I can manage. But otherwise, like it is not my motto. Like I'm going outside for teaching purpose and another thing. As much as I try to sit at home and I want to give classes and I want to do conversation, this type of thing I will do. Another I don't want to do.
Okay, so nowadays, how like every single day you are uploading thoughts and long conversation video, or how you are managing like that?
Ma'am, nowadays I started maintaining my consistency because I was thinking if I will make consistency, so my channel it will grow. So that's why I
Hmm.
started maintaining my consistency. And a long video I upload every day, and a short video, solo video, like I also uploaded every day. But it is I'm not speaking only, like I write some vocab and I upload. This type of thing I'm doing. Like solo video, I'm not recording myself. Only with
Oh.
just writing purpose I'm doing.
Mm-hmm. You are posting like that, right? Post you are doing like that.
Like
Okay, these are so
yes,
great
I
things.
started posting post also I started uploading. Yeah, because it is
Mhm.
also necessary. So that's why
Yes, people are praising and people are interesting to watching such kind of things also, no, regarding new vocabulary, right? And yes, you are doing great work. So in future also, definitely best of luck for your future also. You are doing such a good work,
thank
right?
you ma'am, for your
Yes, yes.
and ma'am like our YouTube channel like one of thing long video we are doing conversation so it is good and if we are making solo video so there we should upload related to vocab and if you know related to another thing like it may be any story so if we have any idea so we should upload related to short video
Yes,
and
yes. Idiom, phrases, a new vocabulary, anything can be there,
uh,
right?
yeah whatever we have
Mm.
interest like suppose you have
Yes,
interest in a story short story so you can upload short story so like
yes.
this is the like things like how we can attract the audience and how we can share our like indirectly how we can improve ourselves also and nowadays
Yes.
I started posting like these idioms I upload one of
Mm.
idiom 5 idioms I upload every day and related to some answer I upload 4 options I give 4 options and I like audience will choose one of answer so this type of
Mm.
thing I am doing I started doing
Yes,
it
yes.
is
It's a great thing for
it is
curiosity
helpful for
purpose.
ourselves and for audience also both like we are
Mm.
improving it directly if we will put this type of efforts.
Yes, yes, exactly. It's such a good work and nice, and people are interested. They feel very curious. What is this? What is that? Like that. They will try to do themselves also, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Initially days,
Mm.
like if we are like uploading videos and if we are working on YouTube, so like we can feel like monotonous and we can say like if we have to do hard work a lot in initially days, but like it is the like initially phase. After then, like it we can feel comfortable ourselves. So all like nowadays, I think all YouTubers, lots of YouTuber I am observing we are putting like hard work efforts we are doing so it is great work ma'am and it is good opportunity for everyone like YouTube is providing to us like this opportunity we are sitting at home and we are doing this type of thing so we are thankful of the
Yes.
technology and net also like they are providing us this type of net so that we are working from
Mhm.
at home so it is good for ourselves.
Yes. It's very good, very good. So, Mamta, I want to know, it has been only 1 year. You are quite good in English. Okay, you are talking very nicely. So far, I am listening you. I want to know, so many beginner are here and they want to learn this language, but they are not able to accumulate the courage. They thought it's not my cup of tea. I can't talk like that. They are thinking. Okay, so what kind of suggestion you want to give to them, and from where they can start? From grammar part, from vocabulary part, speaking part, listening part, reading, what where from where they can start, about your experience?
Yeah ma'am like I am saying myself like I was zero in English. My English was not good, little bit also because
Mhm.
like I didn't focus in my life on English. English was like I think too much difficult subject for me in all subjects. Like all subject I like, but English subject I didn't like. I didn't like in my life because like I didn't study in a proper manner. So how can I say like it is the good subject for me? So after then, like I faced this type of situation. So I started working on my grammatical part firstly because like I didn't have any idea like which helping verb I should use and along with which verb I should use first form, second form, third form. I didn't have any idea. So then I started working on my grammatical part why I started grammatical part? Because I didn't have any environment. I didn't have any family member, any relatives, any little bit environment I didn't have. Then I started doing this type of thing. After then I started getting vocab, because big lack of vocab, how we can improve. So I started gaining day by day vocab. Some of vocab I used to focus. I didn't pressurize myself like you should have to learn this vocab. I used to observe only vocab. Whatever I'm observing, 10 vocab, 20 vocab, I used to observe. It's depend on my time. I am having time, so I used to work. I used to observe lots of vocab. Otherwise, like I don't have any vocab, so I used to vocab 5 to 6 vocab. After then, I skip this type of thing. So I learned vocab, some grammatical part. Like I work on tenses a lot. And when I started in my speaking, then I used to speak only present tense a lot. I used to make mistake on past tense. Like I knew like like which helping verb, which verb it will come along with. But like I while speaking, I used to make mistake. So I took idea like I at least I have to speak a lot. I tried. I pushed myself. You have to use like past tense helping verb, past tense verbs. You have to use. So before I started, sorry, I started a lot. And after then I started using. Sometimes I used to make mistake while using past tense, and some nowadays I think rarely I make mistake while using past tense, but like at least I am able to speak. And this type of thing I did. And one of thing I follow, like I spoke a lot. Whatever I have in 1 hour, 2 hour, I used to spoke a lot, and I used to listen. So two things I follow more. Reading and writing part I did little bit, but not that much. Little bit I used to do whenever I am feeling better, and I am feeling motivated myself, and sometimes demotivated. So that time also I used to do, because I have to learn this language. It was my motto.
Yes, yes. So definitely, who are new beginner, who are just wants to start this journey, English journey, they want learn, and every time what they are doing, they start, and after 1 month they thought I can't do. Okay, I'm not understanding, and again give up, and again after 5 6 months later, again they will start. This kind of things happen to everyone. Okay, so I would like to suggest, don't give up in the between. Okay, at least you can start from your listening part and start with speaking how much you can. Little bit, I think very well, right? Nowadays everyone know little English. So if you are start from listening, and daily basis, you can incorporate new vocabulary, new word, new things, right? And so you have to do continue. If you thought no, I can't do, so it's not going to be any kind of miracle, but you should at least speak, listening, doing something regarding English, right? Then only we can get, isn't it?
Yeah, you are saying correct. When I started my English journey, that time, ma'am, I realized myself, like I used to listen one of ma'am. I think Susmita Jain, like this, it was name. So I used to listen her a lot, but I was not able to understand anything. Only I used to listen, like what
Okay.
I didn't have any idea what she was saying. So after then, like now I listen to her. So I am thinking like everything I am understanding. Rarely any vocab meaning I am not understanding now, but like I am able to understand everything now. So, but we have to keep patience, and we have to work ourselves.
Yes. Yes, all up to us. How can we hard work, or we can do postpone, procrastinate, whatever, like just up to us, right?
Yeah, and like if you are not having time reading and writing, so two things we can do in a easy way. Like we can speak. We should have this type of platform. There we can whatever we want. We have time, so there we can talk. So we should try to speak. And another thing, if we have time, like if we are doing something like related to household chores and another things we are doing, so that time we can put a earphone in our ear, and I started listening something related to English content, whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to listen, like any story, any movies, and song. If you want to, it depends on us.
Yes, exactly. Likewise, we can start and we can learn, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. So, do you have any question for me?
Ma'am, I don't have any question, but like I think we have talked a lot. Seven forty.
Yes, yes. It was our first conversation. Definitely, we will meet again in second conversation with some topics. And it was very nice conversation with you, Mamta, and I thoroughly enjoy. And thank you so much for having me here once again.
Likewise, ma'am. I also enjoyed your session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Care yourself also.